What is going on, everyone? So I know it's been a while since I last made my last video, but as you can tell, the car's definitely changed just at least a slight bit. The car is actually now on teen coilovers. I bought them from eBay, and I bought some used G35 coupe wheels. I just wanted to be a bit different with the appearance, and I think it actually turned out pretty good. More just a temporary setup, just simple and clean, just how I like it. And also have the clear corner lights on there, clear side markers. But yeah, man, today is a very, very special day. This has been in the works for months. I would honestly say years, actually. Today, we are going to install a new front downpipe on the car, and we're gonna also get a new custom single exit. It's been a thing I've wanted for this car for honestly as long as I can remember. I've always liked the dual exit, sure, especially with like maybe HKS exhaust that you can get, because all I got right now is just a muffler delete. So literally just cut off the mufflers with just blue tips on it. I would have actually gone with chrome or at least platinum, but this is all that they had, so at least it did its job for the time being. But we are definitely going to switch up this setup today. This is just what I visioned in my mind. I'm gonna have it come out the left side instead of the right side. I definitely do want to keep my original resonator, because a lot of Jay-Z engines, at least a lot of cars in general, if you remove the resonator, it sounds very raspy, and I just really do not like that sound. But I just really want it to be a nice, smooth sound, and I feel like that's what the downpipe and the single exit's going to do. And if I show you right here, I have a Megan Racing downpipe. It's in the car. It's been here for like about 3 days now. And I also have my single exit muffler. It has a silencer on it, but this is the other side of it. But definitely one of the biggest things I've done for this car. But with that being said, without further ado, let's get on the road, and I will see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so after that little quick drive, about like 20-30 minutes, actually here at Top Mufflers. Shout out to Top Mufflers, they do amazing exhaust work. So after about, I would say, a couple hours, we finally got the single exit installed with the downpipe, courtesy of Top Mufflers. Came out exactly how I visualized, and oh man, just look, that's beautiful right there. And I actually wanted to take out the silencer just so it actually gives it a better look, but it'll be a bit louder, but that's all right. But without further ado, let's get on the road and actually get some sound clips. Look at that angle right there. Amazing. Alright guys, so I've actually gotten on the freeway now, and there is a lot of traffic, but I'm still going to be able to manage to do some pulls here. But I can already tell you the car sounds a lot more smoother, and it really sounds like how the GE should sound, but it sounds a little more refined, or smoother I should say. But man, this is amazing. I already like this setup a whole lot better than the last one I actually had, and it makes it even better because I actually gain power from it. Get a little pull here for you guys if I can. As I said, it has a way smoother sound. I can't wait to get to the next spot and actually show you guys how this thing actually sounds from the outside. The drone is not too bad. I don't really enjoy how this thing really just cruises along without even droning a lot and just sounding a little bit more raspy. It sounds more smoother, and that's what I wanted, and I'm glad that I really got this set up. Way more smoother, way more satisfying, honestly, and yeah, this was definitely worth it. Alright, so we made our spot to Mexico, undisclosed area. It has been a little bit more cloudy in the past few hours. I've been really loving how this thing actually drives, man. It's completely changed. It almost feels like it completely transformed how the car drives in general. It has a nice little rumble to it at the idle. See, when I had my dual exit, it sounded somewhat similar, but nothing can compare to this nice single exit. All the setups I had in the past, this is the one I've always wanted. So I wanted to go to a better location. God damn. Anyways, damn, alright. So I wanted to go to a different location only because of the flat stretch of road. And honestly, it looks beautiful out here. Look at this. Yeah, let's get some flybys up. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. My brand new, or at least to me, setup all 3 setups I've had on this car, this one is definitely the best one I've had. Not only because it sounds a lot better, in my opinion, but it looks a lot better, and it's the vision I've had for this car for a long time. The one exhaust setup I've had in mind for, I can only remember how long. I can't even remember actually, but it definitely met my expectations and even exceeded them. And shout out to Top Mufflers for the install of the Midpipe, Downpipe Midpipe, and custom single exit with the N1 style muffler. It definitely works. I'm gonna build this car at my own pace. This is my dream car, as some of you guys may actually know. Me personally, this has always been the car I've always wanted ever since I was a kid. So I'm just gonna take my time with it. You can't really rush the process when it comes to things like this, and all you have to do is just really enjoy what you do. This goes for the most part. Always try to stick with your own style. Always try to visualize what you can accomplish, because if you put your mind to it, you can definitely accomplish anything you put your mind to. So always try to have a vision and a goal in mind, and you can be inspired, but don't ever try to copy. You will satisfy yourself a whole lot more with the product you've actually created, if not the vision you've actually made into reality. I appreciate every single one of you guys that have been watching the content and supporting me. And until the next one, I will see you guys